Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fusion Kitchen. I'm Lisa Torch, the Goofy Blonde Chef. And you know, it's difficult enough to combine vegan or plant-based with low carb, but when you bring the holidays into the mix, it can be downright near impossible. Well, today we're gonna do just that. I'm making a delicious no turkey cutlet with mushroom gravy and an absolutely fantastic fresh cranberry orange sauce. Think you're gonna love it? Let's get ready. Hang on, and here we go. Let's start with the ingredients for our holiday meal. We are going to start with a bag of fresh cranberries, an orange, nutritional yeast, pepper, a bottle of just egg, some onion powder, some nut coatings. This is walnut and pecan, a jar of poultry seasoning, a block of super firm tofu, olive oil, and our cheat ingredient is a can of organic cream of mushroom soup. And let's get started. We're also going to use a good sugar-free sweetener. I like Truvia. So for our tofu breading station, I've got a bowl of just egg. I'm going to take our pecan and walnut coating. That's half a cup. Quarter of a cup of nutritional yeast. Some fresh pepper, onion powder, and most important, our poultry seasoning. Just basically parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Don't sing it. I won't sing it, you can sing it. And just mix that up. And we'll get ready to bread our tofu. To start, let's cut our tofu to nice, thin cutlets. That's good. And I'm gonna just blot those with a paper towel. We kind of want them as dry as possible before we bread them. See, these are really nice and thin, so they'll have lots and lots of flavor. And we'll start by dipping in the just egg and into our mixture. Make sure it's really good and coated. This is a nice low carb mixture. You don't have to use breadcrumbs. I'm telling you, they're overrated. Oil nice and hot. I'm just gonna lay these in carefully. They're delicate. You don't want to break them, which I've already broken one. We're gonna just keep it together. There we go. We're just gonna sizzle these about 3-4 minutes on each side. We moved our cutlets to a paper towel to kind of blot up any excess oil. And then we're going to make a nice gravy. You know, this may be the easiest thing you ever do. I poured my cream of mushroom into a pot with a little water. We're just going to whisk that up, make it nice and smooth. And then I'm going to add a little of the onion powder. I like a nice peppery gravy, so a good amount of pepper. And a few shakes of our poultry seasoning. And that's really gonna do it. It's a delicious savory gravy to put on our cutlets. Yum. And now for our final pièce de résistance, some washed cranberries. I'm gonna do the whole bag because they cook down. A good sweetener, I like Truvia. Cover your cranberries. And let's give it some orange zest. I like a lot of orange zest. Don't want to miss the good stuff. And we are just going to cut that down. It could take a minute. You can even cover it. I'm going to turn the heat to medium. Pop a cover on it, and we'll come back. Now our cranberries have started to pop. This is fantastic. Turn the heat off and just let that sit until we're ready to serve it. Yum. Well, look how gorgeous this is. You never miss the turkey. I made a simple mixed green and tomato salad, put a little extra orange zest on top of the cranberries, and I garnished my tofu with some fresh thyme and more pepper, of course. Let's dig in. And that was our episode. I hope you loved it. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time on the Fusion Kitchen with the Goofy Blonde Chef. Thank you so much for watching.